Hey friends, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. I'm up here in the North House and working on my fall decor. I want to share with you today a very simple fall wreath that I put together, and it took me about 5 minutes. This is crazy easy to make. I started with a faux boxwood wreath that is attached with a grapevine wreath on the back. I have two wheat sprays that I've clipped with wire cutters. And then I have some length of ribbon that's wire edged. So what you'll do is you start down here and separate your green wreath like this until you can see the little wire pieces in here, and you're simply going to stuff your little wheat sprays into the wire that's already there. So it sticks out like that. And then you'll go the opposite direction with the other sprig. The grapevine is covered, and your boxwood will go around the wreath, and then you'll simply make a bow. So for the bow, I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to loop it this way. You might know of an easier or a better way. I'm just going with a simple bow. I'm going to take it like this, bunch it up, twist it over once, and I'll have my bow. For the center, I'm going to take another piece of wire edged ribbon, I'm going to fold it in thirds. So I have this. I'll take the front of my bow and simply take the wire edged ribbon and wind it around the top. I'll take that and simply tie it onto the boxwood wreath from the back side. And the idea is that I can change this little piece of decor out with every season. So now I can do something different in spring. I can do something different in fall and hang a simple boxwood wreath up with a spring decor piece or a little fall. I'll take my scissors and I will fold these edges over like this, and I will cut them to make the little edges in the ribbon. There you go. It's beautiful. We are talking about a 5-6 minute project here. So if you like this, don't forget to subscribe to h2obungalow.com. Again, as always, you'll be able to find my project tips and the supplies I used on my blog at h2obungalow.com. Search fall wreath, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining.